Hey guys, it's Gene here back with another video. I'm sorry I've been late with the videos. It's been a tough time with this whole coronavirus thing, and I hope y'all are doing good and I can put out more videos for y'all. And so I basically already took off the wrapping, and let's get straight into it. And on the front, we already have a nice Raichu GX card. Oh, snap. I dropped it. My bad. There's that. It looks pretty darn nice. And here's the code card for the whole box. So yeah, hope you get something good. Hopefully I get something good too. And we got 4 Hidden Fates. And the whole set. 3 birds, Mew, Shiny Mew, Mewtwo, and Shiny Charizard. I think we're gonna get into this Hidden Fates one first, or this Mew right here. So yeah. So here we are getting into the first Hidden Fates booster pack. Put that over there. There's the code card for you lovely people out there on the internet. Do 1, 2, 3 of the front. And we throw that energy, Psychic Energy. And we got a Charmeleon, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Charmander, a Fairy, Slowpoke, Magikarp, Keep Looking Pikachu, Reverse Hollow, Clefairy, and on the very end we got a Butterfree. Yeah, and that's not that great, but at least we got this, and it looks pretty decent. I like that. And so we're gonna open this Hidden Fates booster pack with the Shiny Charizard, my bad. Oh, and before I forget, this is gonna, after I open this Hidden Fates, I'm gonna open this Rebel Clash, so stay tuned. And just get straight into the pack. I don't know why they make these packs so hard to open, but we get them open eventually. And there's the code card. And we go 1, 2, 3 to the front. And we take off the Fighting Energy on the back. And then we have Misty's City Gym, Sabrina's Suggestion, Metapod, a Paris, a Charmander, again, a Slowpoke, again, a Psyduck, a Clefairy, a Reverse Hollow Mama, and on the very end we got a Eevee holographic with a, I forgot what that Pokemon name on the back, but all these Voltorbs are just here, which is pretty cool. Or if you can see, it's like a little shine. It's going all across the card, which is pretty neat. I've never seen a card like this before, but yeah, cool. And so now we're gonna get into this Rebel Clash that I picked up at my local Walgreens. Don't judge me, please. Because yes, I do like to go to Walgreens for a little run of supplies that I may need, may or may not need. Definitely may need. There is the code card. This one. Go 1, 2, 3 to the front. Take off the Grass Energy. Right. We got a Thick Boy. We got a Beware. It's Speed plus energy, Speed Energy. Sandy-Gas. A Vulpix. A Koffing. Little cute, whatever that thing is. A Yamask. A Reverse Hollow Abominable Snow. And on the end, another Abominable Snow, which is very unlucky. But kind of cool because I think it's kind of cool, but yeah. Okay, let's get on to the last 2 Hidden Fates packs. So we got these last 2 Hidden Fates packs, but I'm going to go eeny, meeny, miny. We got 3 Legendary Birds because they're the original, I'm going to say the original 3 Legendary Pokemon that were ever introduced in the world of Pokemon, I'm going to say. And there's the code card for you people. And we throw the 3 on the front. We chuck away the energy. No one wants that energy. And we got a Jinx, Charmeleon, Chansey, Voltorb, Koffing, Cubone, a Geodude, a Jigglypuff, a Reverse Hollow Gabite, and then we got a 3 Legendary Birds, which is looking pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. So yeah, on to the last pack. So sadly, this is going to be the last card of tonight, but I will be posting more in the future, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Hopefully we have the same luck as we did last pack. 3 Legendary Birds. Pretty nice, pretty nice. there's the code card for y'all. We got 1, 2, 3 to the front. Throw that water energy off. We got a Pokemon Center Lady, Scyther, Magmar, Magikarp, Ekans. Fun fact, if you look at Ekans, it's snake spelled backwards. We got a Voltorb, a Geodude, a Pikachu, a reverse holo Magikarp, and on the end we got a Jolteon. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then, yeah, that's all we had for today, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe what I should do next, and I'll get back to y'all. Peace.